Hey Dawn, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking at your website, whoever made it did a really good job visually, as well as adding these call to actions throughout. Those call to actions really help with your conversion rates, so that's awesome that they put these throughout. One thing that I would recommend here would be to have some more content on your homepage. And the reason is that Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet 24/7. So they are looking through all of the content on here, seeing what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for what's called keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Kansas City foundation repair. And when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. So it is really good that you guys are ranking here because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you are here and the way that you'd want to maintain this is making sure that you have more citations than these other businesses. And then that would be just your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then just maintaining a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. And it is important to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page here. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this specific keyword. So KC Pier, they also have some good call to actions throughout. Looks like it'd be easy to outdo them in the content department. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have the KC Pier plugged into Ahrefs here. We're going to look at some ratings that's pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. So they have 34 and 4. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 1.9 thousand backlinks coming from 420 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it's important to note here that not all backlinks are created the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional with your backlinks. And KC Pier has 1.2 thousand keywords on their website. And so let's go on over to your website. And so you all have 40 and 16 coming from 2.63 thousand backlinks from 553 referring domains. And you all have 1.3 thousand keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do here is specifically boost this number. You do that by getting high quality backlinks and then making sure all the buyer intent keywords that apply to you are on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into your competitors' backlinks and then you would link those to your website as well, because if it's working for them, it would work for you. And so with their keywords that they're ranking for, let's take a look. Foundation repair, Kansas City. 700 people are searching for this every single month. Kansas City foundation repair, 100, 200, 80, 150, 200, 150. And so this list just keeps going. And there are pages down here of those buyer intent keywords. And so in order for you to get more traffic for yourself, you would want to make sure that your website is ranking. And so you would want more high quality backlinks, and then as well as having high quality content to support those buyer intent keywords. And so I hope that this video was helpful for you. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was valuable or not for you, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.